My name is Shravya. I am studying in UKG. My name is Sonika. I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Nanapita Award winners from Karnataka. Uvempu, Dara Bende, Shivaram Karam, Masilegudeshayanda, Tige Gogan, Yura Ramata Moody, Ilish Kanas, Chandrasekhar Kamara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance of India, Bharatanatyam Tamilaru, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Maripur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Satya Assam, Matidad Madhya Pradesh, Chandiya Gujarat, Ejnana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Damakuta, Ganga, Janavali, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Namada, Variyar, Namida Damati, Vaigar, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Independence Day, our 15th Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, of Uranus, Neptune.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India, Mandeswara in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Humphrey Gabal in Karnataka, Bharatanatyam in Orissa, Narasiraj in Bihar, Kachara in Madhya Pradesh, Kodattapan in Punjab.
Four Vedas.
Four Venus, Jupiter, Samabeka, Akavanabeka.
Ten Mukha Upanishads.
10 Mukha Upanishads, Ishavasya Upanishads, Kena Upanishads, Kanta Upanishads, Prashna Upanishads, Mundakya Upanishads, Madhukya Upanishads, Andikya Upanishads, Andrikya Upanishads, Uddabharadya Upanishads.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasar Vishnu, Matsya, Kuma, Varaha, Nasimha, Vamana, Parasurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalpi.
Seven continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Families of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Jariahanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Muraji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishnu Pandit, Chandrasekhar, Juvi Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Mahatma Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Gura, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, China, Malabar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
primary states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Srinagar, Assam, Jodhpur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Tandinagar, Kalyana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Urupuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Maripur, Impai, Bengalia, Shillong, Bichura, Isavi, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Atakala.
30 districts
30 districts
in Karnataka.
in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bedali, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Upper, Bengalavi, Chamasnagar, Chikkamagapura, Chikkuduka, Dakshina Kannada, Davagere, Dakar, Gadag, Hassan, Kaperi, Kakuki, Kolaro, Kola, Masala, Mandya, Mairu, Ramarga, Raichu, Sumaga, Tumkur, Urupi, Uttarakarana, Vijaypura, Lakini.
Indian festivals.
India Festival, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navarati, Gadaga, Diwali, Masurati, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mahara, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Bali Desu, Adam Vasapali, Chujenda Dipavali, Iturani Chanama, Kelari Chanama, Onake Okbaba, Lucia Lakshmi Pandit, Saravini Naidu, Jasmina Di Lakshmi Bai. 7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages
Official languages
of India.
of India: Assami, Bengali, Buro, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil, Kannada, Kashmiri, Kompali, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Orissa, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religion language of India: Hinduism, Islam, Musharati, Jainism, Buddhism, Jainism. Parsi.
Indian monuments.
Indian monument: Aksara, Ajayagyu, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gold Gumbaz, Humpty Temple, Island Villa, Jamasashi, Kazurada Temple, Egg Palace, Masu Palace, Kutubina, Grey Fort, Taj Mahal.
Names of fruits.
Names of food: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Samata Rutu, Shishinta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu monuments.
Hindu Lunamas, Chaita, Vasaka, Jesa, Asara, Jana, Madhupura, Etika,